everyone, my name's Mr. Street, and this week we're going to be learning the next section, bars 11 to 14 of Strollin by David Stoll. As you can see in the blue box, you've got all your fingering chart there, so if you're ever unsure of any fingerings, just have a look there and all the answers will be there. As you can see, there's only 4 bars to learn in this video, so not very long, but we're going to concentrate on some of the details to make it sound really musical. Okay, we're still in the same time signature, that's 4-4. And we've got our swing quavers, our lazy quavers to remember about. And let's start off with our first bar, which is bar 11. Let's do those Kadai rhythms first to make sure we get all our rhythms in the right place. Okay, so we have ma, ta, ti, ti, ma. Okay, I'll go first and you repeat back to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ma, ta, ti, ti, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ma, ta, ti, ti, ma. Brilliant, nice and simple. Now the best thing about this 4 bars, can you see that all the rhythms are exactly the same? Every bar has the same rhythm. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on some of the details. Do you see some strange markings underneath some of the notes? We've got a line and a dot, okay? So the line is tenuto, and that means long, okay? The dot is staccato, and that's short and spiky, okay? So these things just help to add a bit of character to our notes. We'll come to that when I demonstrate, and listen out for those long and short notes. The next thing we're going to do is learn the notes for each bar. So let's start off in bar 11, where we already were, and we'll start off with our note F, which is on first valve. We go to E on 1 and 2, and D on 1 and 3. Okay, I'm going to play it, and then if you could repeat back after me, that would be great. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, E, D. Really good. Did you hear that nice long short? Helps add lots of character. The other thing to remember in this section, I don't know if you remember from last week, but our opening section was very loud. This section is just a bit quieter. Again, more ways to add some more musicality to our performances. Okay, let's learn bar 12, which is the next bar. As you spotted, the rhythms are exactly the same, so we won't go over the Kadai again, but let's go through the notes. Okay, we have E on 1 and 2, D on 1 and 3, and then our old friend C on open. Okay, let's play this bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, D, C. Really good. Now we won't go over the other bars again because they are exactly the same as bar 11. But what I would like to talk about is our last bar, where you see a funny line underneath. It's like a hairpin sort of thing, isn't it? It goes up like that. This means we gradually get louder, okay? So it's called a crescendo, okay? So we don't need to play it back to me, but I will demonstrate. Okay, hear that? So it starts quieter, it gets louder. Brilliant. Let's try playing this whole 4-bar section. One, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic, well played. Next week we're going to look at another video which will tell you how to play the end section of this piece. Really well done today, sounds fantastic.